Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy. Encounter with Mathematics. Our today's topic of discussion is vertical angles. Theorem on vertical angles. Now, what do you mean by vertical angles? When two lines intersect, suppose line AB and CD intersect each other at O. Now, when two lines intersect each other at some point, then it forms two pairs of vertical angles. Angle AOC and angle BOD is one pair of vertical angles, and angle AOD and BOC is another pair of vertical angles. So our today's theorem is, if two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the today's theorem. What is given here? Lines AB and CD intersect at O. Such that angle AOC and angle BOD form one pair of vertical angles, and number 2, angles AOD and angle BOC form another pair of vertical angles. Here ray AB and CD intersect at O, such that angle AOC and BOD form one pair of vertical angles, and angle AOD and angle BOC form another pair of vertical angles. Then we have to prove that. What to prove? To prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and second, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. We have to prove that vertical angles are equal or congruent. Now proof. Here line AB on two pairs of opposite rays, OA and OB are opposite rays and OD is any other ray. OA and OB are opposite rays and OD is any other ray. Means angle AOD and BOD forms a linear pair. Therefore, angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree, because angles of a linear pair are supplementary. So angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. Region is forms a linear pair. Again, OC and OD are opposite rays. OC and OD are opposite rays and OB is any other ray. Other ray. Hence, angle BOD plus BOC, angle BOD plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Reason is they form linear pair, and linear pair angles are supplementary. Suppose this is number 1 and this is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to angle BOD plus angle BOC. Here angle BOD is common on both sides, so it will be cancelled. This implies that angle AOD equal to angle BOC, that is angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. One pair of vertical angles have been proved. This implies that angle AOD is congruent to angle BOC. Similarly, it can be proved that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. In a similar way, it can be proved. For example, here OC and OD are opposite rays and OA is another ray. OC and OD are opposite rays and OA is other ray. Therefore, angle AOC and AOD form a linear pair. So, angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. Say suppose 3. Similarly, OA and OB are opposite ray and OD is another ray. Angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. This region is linear pair. This fourth. Forms a linear pair. Hence, this implies that angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to, from 3 and 4, angle AOD plus angle BOD. We get from 3 and 4 this plus this equal to this. Here AOD is common, so it gets cancelled. This implies that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This implies that angle AOC is congruent to angle BOD. Hence, both the vertical angles, pair of vertical angles have been proved to be equal. Now we will stop here and continue further with some next problem. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.